Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. So let's dive right in. Step 1, check for IDM desktop installation. First, make sure you've got the IDM desktop app installed. You can see here on my computer that I already have it set up. If you don't have it, go ahead and install it first before proceeding. Now let's check Chrome. As you can see, there's no IDM extension here yet, so let's fix that setup. Step 2, find the official IDM extension guide. Open a new tab in Chrome and search for IDM extension not showing up. Be sure to spell it correctly and look for the official website with a title like IDM integration into Chrome. Doesn't work, make sure you're on the official IDM page to avoid fake extension. Step 3, install the IDM integration module on the official page. Scroll down until you see the section about installing the IDM integration module from the Chrome Web Store. There will be a direct link provided. Click on it. This will take you to the correct IDM extension page. Remember, you can search for it directly in the Chrome Web Store because anything you find might be fake. Once you're on the IDM integration module page, confirm it's real by checking the number of users. It should have millions. Click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Wait a moment and the IDM extension will be installed. Now let's test it here. I'm on YouTube and I'm going to download a video. I'll right click and press download. In a moment, a pop-up from IDM appears with the file info. I will press start download and there you go. IDM is now working perfectly with Chrome, and that's it. Your IDM extension is now set up and ready to go, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.